Do not start affiliate marketing before you read this. If the thought of selling other people's products for a living makes you giddy, but you don't know where to begin, you are in the right place. Affiliate marketing is exciting. After watching these informative tips, you will have an understanding of how to go about becoming an affiliate marketer. The performance of an affiliate marketing arrangement can be boosted if the webmaster and the affiliate can agree to offer an exclusive product. A purchase that can only be made through an affiliate will be more tempting to a website owner's visitors, increasing click-through and earning more money for both the webmaster and the affiliate. If you are just starting out as an affiliate marketer, you should attempt to keep your campaigns small by only going with one solid product. See if you have a knack for the game or not. If you begin to make commissions on products, then you can begin to expand your presence online. But keep it small to start. Blogging has made its way to affiliate marketing. Many people find that linking affiliates to blogs is much easier than to a website. This is because your content for your blog is the actual product write-up. This attracts traffic looking for what you have as well as fans. Be sure to write quality content and then enhance it with affiliate links. Consider your affiliate links as resources for your clients that will make it easy for them to purchase the product or service you sincerely recommend. If your review of the product is shallow and makes it clear that you don't really have personal experience with the product, no one will click on your links, no matter how many you post. You can sell for others and you can make a nice living doing it. Now that you are armed with the very knowledge that you need to become an affiliate marketer, go ahead and dip your big toe in the affiliate marketing pool and don't be afraid to get wet. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.